I would like to share what is the main cause of disease. In Tibetan medicine, what we say is the main cause of disease is ignorance. And it is quite hard for you all to understand this ignorance. So ignorance is explained through Buddhist philosophy and through Tibetan medicine also. And ignorance is the main cause of we coming into this world again and again. What we say is, we die, we born in this world and we die. And although our body becomes destroyed, but our mind, our subconsciousness minds never dies. It's like an energy, like we say, like Western scientists, what they are saying is energy neither can destroy nor be like this one. So energy is not can't destroy. Likewise, our base mind, our subconscious mind, our soul will not get die. Even our post body gets die. So what it does is it keeps on circling. It keeps on coming in this world again and again. We die in this lifetime, and our soul travels, and our soul search for another life. And this soul is very important. And if you have a very pure soul, which is very positive soul, and that positive soul will takes you to a happy life. Like if happy life, here I mean happy life is like taking birth in a human form, taking birth in a very high class form. But if this soul has a very negative stain or negative effects, if a negative, that negative effect will result in a birth of lower limb. Lower limb here means like taking a form of animals, taking a form of some kind of like insects. So insects, animal, and all this kind, comparing to human form, is little bit, they have less opportunities. So it is decided by our soul. So here soul is something, it's like a foundations of our physical body. So if there is no soul, if there is no base mind, there is no formation of this physical body. If there is no formation of this physical body, then there is no chances of having any kind of physical disorder. So in order to cure the root level of disease, it's very important to purify our mind, purify our base mind. So once we purify our base mind, then what we have is we will never be reborn in this world again and again. So if there is no rebirth in this world, then there is no formation of physical body. Then there won't be any sufferings, and any kind of sufferings. So here, like the main cause of every disorder is our ignorance mind, base mind, which is not pure, which is like a stain, which have a dirt. It's like a disc. When you buy a blank disc, it's very clear, it's very crystal clear. Like our soul, our mind is like a blank disc. And when you put inside the laptop and you download and you write on that empty disc, then that empty disc will become like it will have a many scratch, it will have a stain on it, and that scratch and that stain can be purified through our motivation, through our through our thinking of beneficial others in large, and how we can clean all those kind of stain and all those kind of dirt. So we can what we can do is through religious approach, through universal responsibility approach. Through our compassions, what we can do is we can help each and every person in large, and we can relieve the suffering of other persons. If we do in that way, then our base mind is purifying the stain. And if we are purifying the stain, that means we have less problems on our physical body. So the main cause of this one disorder explained through Tibetan medicine is ignorance. And through ignorance is like a root of everything. And through ignorance, their produce generates three kind of negative emotions, and these three kind of negative emotions are desire, attachment, anger, and close-mindedness.